Yo guys, what's up? What's going on? Today I'm gonna show you how to convert the mono video or audio into the stereo version. Yeah, you can easily convert it. If you don't know, I'll show you in this video. So suppose I have audio. First I'll show you how to convert the audio, the mono, the one-sided audio into the two sided like stereo, and then I'll show you for video. So first let's open the Audacity, and also you can open the any video editor. I have Camtasia, so I'm using the Camtasia only, but you can use any video editor, at least the advanced level video editor, so that have the audio editing option. Now in stereo, simply you need to open your audio from your PC. Okay, so guys, after importing this sound, now it's look like this, the left and right, but the right side is just not, you will not see any wave. But anyways, when you play this sound, you hear the sound on the left sided or right sided, but not in both sided. Simply now you need to convert this audio into the mono. Mono is a feature that actually boost left sound or right sound in both sided of your headphones. So go into the tag, go into the mix stereo down to the mono, and after converting it's look like this. And when you play this sound, you will hear the sound in both sides. Same thing you can perform in videos. Just import the videos in Camtasia, and on the left side the properties, just like the audio option, audio enhancement, and check the mix to mono, and your video automatically converting into the mono option. And again, the mono feature that will gives you the left sided of your headphone sounds in both sides. It's just dividing the one-sided audio into the both-sided, just similar. So I hope your problem should be fixed 100%. If you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. See you in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe this video, this YouTube channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.